Did a 60 psi setting test for an hour. Looked good. Soaked the fittings, and hoping this will last a couple weeks until I can get the proper stuff. This is 3/16 OD line. I think it's 1/8 inch ID line. So I charged it up. It does have the red leak detector in it, but you know where it would be. Dual compression fitting. This is 3/16 brake line steel. So here's my 2-week fix. If anybody else ever needs to do that, it's not going to be long term, but it'll get her running again, get her cold for a while, hopefully a long while. This is a 1-week review on fixing the condenser line with 2 compression fittings, brass compression fittings that are really for brake lines. She's holding in good. 38, she hits set point and turns off. So it's just a update basically that it's still working, and I do keep an eye on it, and I will braze in new line as soon as it stops cooling.